Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to find you winning products. This is for all my lazy people out there or the effective people. Before this video starts, I want to give away a $50 gift card of your own choice. All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe, and comment the best thing that happened to you in this year. So let's start. Let's start off by asking ChatGPT the best or most successful e-com niches there are right now. Now it's up to you to choose what you're interested in, because it's so much easier to sell an item that you are interested in because you'll know a lot about it. So let's say we pick outdoor and sports equipment. Let's ask another question. Alright, so here we got the list of the best-selling items in our niche, and we got a whole list. So either you could choose one of these and start going to AliExpress and find something, or you could ask more questions. Like it mentioned here that it could vary on the location or season or on the trends. So let's ask it. And there we got the best-selling items in the USA in summer. You could choose whatever season you want or country you want. So this gives us a general idea of the best-selling items. So let's go with portable power banks. All right, this is just a random example. I could have chose any one of these. This is just an example video. I know portable power banks are a little bit saturated and all that, but we're going to choose this as an example. So let's copy this, go back to AliExpress, find your products. There we go. 25,000 sold, 11,000 sold. So now we got the suppliers. Here we got the suppliers for our outdoor power bank that we are ready to sell to the US in the summer. But we need a good name we need a remarkable name for our power bank that people will remember. So let's get ChatGPT to choose the best name for our portable power bank. And there we go. It just gave us a lot of names to work with. I personally think ChargeMate sounds best, because it's like a little friend that you bring with you to the beach. Sounds friendly. So then you go, you just copy it and paste it, ChargeMate, and then we got the description. Let's make ChatGPT write us a description too. and there's our description ready. I think it sounds awesome. Let's just switch Juicebox with ChargeMate. And if you want to get this, and to get info for this specific power bank, we just go in here. I think you could find it in the description as well. Let's just go here and copy the, like these. All right, there we got the specifications. We're gonna get the pictures from the site, and there you have it. There you have it. Like, ChatGPT is so underrated. It could run your business. And ChatGPT just gave us so many ad ideas. Like, this program is so underrated. If you're not using it in your business right now, then you're missing out. You're missing out. We just found a winning product, got a name for it, got a description, and ad ideas in like under 10 minutes. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join the giveaway, and we'll see you next time.